Thank you so much for joining us. This is meteorologist Eric Tolman with an update on our weather forecast. This is actually our weather forecast models for the weekend. It's going to be quite interesting. Unfortunately, we've got that wintry precipitation that will be returning to southeast lower Michigan once again in the picture. So you can see all those different colors, and what does that mean? Well, we're going to tell you what that means so you know and how to be prepared for it. So we're going to go ahead and take you flying, and we're going to start with the south. In Colored in teal and green, this is all rain, so this whole section that is highlighted in teal and green, in the green, we'll be seeing rain out of this. And then if you see it in purple, that is freezing rain, ice. And then in teal, wintry mix and snow. And then purple stands for snow chances. So a lot of us in sections of the state of Michigan can see chances of snow. So it looks like maybe up north you've got chances of seeing snow. So we're going to be seeing some precipitation for just about everybody in the state of Michigan. But we're really focusing on our general metropolitan Detroit area as well. So for most of Macomb County, Oakland, and this whole section over here is going to be an area of concern that we'll kind of watch. So I think driving conditions may be tricky, so you want to kind of stay tuned this weekend, and we'll let you know how those road conditions are going to be like and all that, because freezing rain, and then it's going to turn into all rain. We'll talk about that, but for right now, it's telling us that freezing rain is expected for this general area over here, and it's a big chunk right there that you can see right there, so it's going to be quite interesting. So stay tuned with us. We'll keep you posted. We'll let you know if that changes overnight. But everyone's going to see a little bit of everything come at us, and it's in, so it's going to be quite interesting. That's all I got to say. It's kind of confusing for me because I'm new at this. I've never ever done a weather forecast like this where they're all in different colors, and it tells you exactly what it means. So that's what I'm learning today. So that's the hard part. What do these different colors mean? Well, we'll go over them really quick so you kind of understand it, and then when I do an actual video, I'll actually tell you the changes of what's to come with the weather forecast, and changes that we'll be making that go into effect March the 7th, 2017. That is effective, so there will be changes to forecast models and things like that. So stay tuned for that, and we'll let you know what's going to happen with that. So we're just going to give you a heads up of what's going on. So this section is going to see the freezing precip, and then if you go farther towards the north, wintry mix for you guys, and that means snow. And then in the purple, that stands for snow chances. So like I said, everyone's going to get a little bit of something out of this. And then farther towards the south, you guys are going to have some rain, so it's going to be a wintry mix. So when you have the rain, you have freezing rain, you've got wintry precip, and then you have the ice and all that kind of stuff. It all adds up to a wintry mix, so that's why we're getting a variety of different things. Oh, I do want to point out, for this area way up in the northern part of Michigan, it's way on the east side, but we're going to go ahead and take a look at it. And this area possibly will see some icy conditions out of this as well. So that also includes this area down here. We could see the same action as well, some icy conditions for parts of metropolitan Detroit in our viewing area. So that does include Macomb County, or wherever you see it highlighted in darker shaded purple. That means icy conditions for you guys in that section over there. And then if you go way up here, you can see some icy conditions over there as well. So we're going to explain all the changes and what's to come, and how we're going to update you and advise you and give you heads up of what's coming at us. And all the new updates are to follow as well. So it's going to be very exciting. We're going to tell you all about it coming up in the next half an hour. Stay tuned for an update on all these changes coming up, and how we're going to be doing the weather forecast, and how we're going to update you on severe weather and much more. So a lot of changes are happening, and the changes go into effect for the forecast models March the 7th, 2017 is when that goes into effect. So we'll keep you posted and let you know what that means and how we're going to update you on the forecasts. Stay tuned for more. We'll have your extended forecast coming up after this. And thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more. And you're watching the Michigan News Channel, Southeast Michigan, Detroit. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.